my channel. Thank you all for tuning in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new microwave and also showing you guys how I make my pounded yam in a microwave. It's a very easy and quick method. So here is the microwave. The old one got spoiled this morning, so I have to replace it with a brand new one. It's not that expensive. I bought it about 50 euros. I have 3 kids in this house. Everything we eat in this house has to be warm or hot, so I have to replace it. Let's see inside. Wow.
When we pass through them, I wonder how we they fly, we no carry bell flu. They call me bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. I be holding bad boy, we no go use you for toy. They call me baddie, baddie, baddie. Tell I be artist, I no go bring you sadist.
I need to clean this microwave before use, so I'm going to be cleaning it before I start making my pounded yam. I'm going to wash this plate inside.
You and me, we go the balling together. No divorce, we go the stay here forever. Make them talk, we go the flex like a partner. Put me for head now, you show them like a banner. Stumbling block them and fling it all over. Jump papas, we go the pass them and over. Move on, we move like a caterpillar. Follow me, girl, Mr. Lover, Jackie Sula. Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do. Yes I do. Yeah. Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do. Hey, I don't wanna look into your eye. All I see the paradise, girl. I know, so you're not decided.
I'm going to start making my pounded yam. All we need is a big bowl and a wooden spoon. And this is my pounded yam. I bought it from African shop. We also need a boiling water. Add the pounded yam flour and stir. This is a very quick method. Just stir it. You can see the way I am doing it. I'm adding more water because the pounded yam is more than the water. Stir it together. Follow my demonstration. It should look like this. Cover it with a plastic film and put it in my microwave for 7 minutes.
Tell me yes I them a carry they go. And they tell you say get me no love you. Them a carry photo and then they put her for show. Yeah, you the bonder, you know send the ban you. Then they call me baddest. Hey, I'm the only baddest for this when I go bring you sadie. Then they call me bad boy.
After the 7 minutes in the microwave, bring it out and stir it again.
Baby girl say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do.
So I'm going to cover it back with a plastic film again and put it back in the microwave for another.
Comfortable she them make I feel every day with the tank on my till. Bring us together for eternity. And they said roses are red and the palette are blue. And sugar the sweet.
After the 5 minutes in the microwave, bring it out and stir it again. the pounded yam is ready. This is a very simple way of making pounded yam and a lazy girl method. It will save you from the stress of washing pots. Please guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, smash the subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to enjoy this pounded yam with my delicious Benin black soup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.